Hello everyone, I am Professor Swamni from Civil Department. My subject is the Structural Design and Drawing 3. Then the starting in previous lecture, start the unit number 2nd, Design of Post-Tension Slab. Then in previous lecture, we discussed the problems. Then next problem is the a post-tension pre-stress rectangular beam of span 15 meter. Beam span is the 15 meter. Then each subjected to an imposed uniformly distributed load, UDL act in this beam. Then 10 kilonewton per meter. The stresses in concrete should not exceed 16.5 Newton per mm square. Stresses not exceed 16.5 mm square. Newton per mm square in compression and 1.1 Newton per mm square in tension. The loss of pre-stress is 50%. Calculate the minimum possible depth and also find minimum pre-stressing force and the corresponding eccentricity. The width of the beam is to be taken as 300 mm. This is the problem. Then solution is the solution. First of all, the given data, moment due to live load, is the m3 is equal to the this is the 8 WL square by 8. Then m2 is calculate these terms. We get answer is the 281.25. This is moment due to the live load. Then moment due to the dead load. This is live load, dead load. Then mg in the dead load is in 25. Calculate these terms in a calci. We get answer is the 703.12 kilonewton per meter. Range of stress at bottom fiber. Range of stress at bottom fiber is the FBR. Formula for the FBR is the NFCT minus FTW into the FCT. This formula given in the IS code. Use IS code and calci in design subject in examination. FCT minus FTW into the FCT is equal to the FCW 16.5 Newton per mm square. Then the FTW is equal to the minus 1.1 Newton per mm square is equal to the 0.85 minus into the 16.5 minus into the yang. Then calculate 1 minus 15%. His answer is the 0.85. Then the 15.12 first of all, find out the moment due to the live load formula WL square by 8. Put in these values. Then dead load is the WL square by 8. Then find out these values. Then range of stresses at bottom fiber is the FDR. This formula given to the IS code. Use this formula and put the values. We get FTP and FTW is the minus 1.1 Newton per mm square. Put these values. Then 15.12. Minimum sectional modulus. Minimum section modulus ZB. This formula is the MQ plus 1 minus N MG divided by FBR. This formula also in IS course. BH square upon 6. Square upon 6 is equal to the 28 point. MQ is the 28.25 plus 1 minus N is the 0.85 into the MG is the 703.12 divided by FBR. FBR is the 16.5, 15.12. This is the FBR. Then substituting B is equal to 300 mm. We get 300 into H square divided by 6 is equal to the 281.25 into 10 raised to 6 plus 105.47 BH divided by 15.12. Then calculate these both two terms. We get the cross multiplication. We get the 15.12 into the 300 into H square is equal to the 6 into 281.25 into 10 raised to 6 plus 105.47 D into H. Then this terms equation is the 4536 H square is equal to the 1687. Calculate calcium, we get the 1687.5 into 10 raised to 0.5 into 10 raised to 6 plus 632. This term is the 4536 H square, 632.5 0.81 BH. Then next is the 4536 H square. Solving this equation, we get H is the 631.22 is approximately equal to the 635 mm. Find out this equation is the 4536 H square is equal to the 1. These all terms in left hand side, we get the minus and is equal to 0. Then find out the H. H is the 630. Then ZB is equal to ZT. ZB is equal to the ZT is equal to the 300. ZB is equal to ZT upon 6. Then calculate these terms, we get 20.16. 20.16 into 10 raised to 6. This is ZB, ZT. Area is the area is the 300 into the 635. Find out the areas, we get 190.5. This is the area. Then mg is equal to the 703.12 BH. Then B is the 300 and H is the 635. 703.12 into the 300 into the 635. Find out this value in calcium. We get the 133 in kilonewton per meter. Then find out F superior. F superior is the formula for FTT minus mg upon ZT. This formula also is in IS code. Use IS code and steel table in design subject. Then find out the values in formula. Then minus 1.1 minus 1 mg is the 133 upon ZT is the 20.16. Calculate these terms, we get minus 7.74 Newton per mm square. Then F inferior, also this formula is the FTW